Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to mention team members in ClickUp comments, a game changer for enhancing collaboration and boosting productivity in your projects. To kick things off, you'll need to be in the right place. Navigate to the task or subtask where you want to drop your comment. This is essential as ClickUp's structure is task-based, and mentioning a team member in a specific task ensures they are notified about relevant discussions. Now that we've done that, it's time to write your comment. Click on the comment box at the bottom of the task's details. The comment box is where all the magic happens. It's the hub for discussion, and it's how you keep everyone in the loop. Next up, to mention a team member, type @ followed by the person's name. As you start typing, a drop-down list will appear with matches. Simply select the correct person you wish to mention. The reason we do this is because it sends a notification to the mentioned person, drawing their attention to the task and making sure they're aware of the conversation. Now, let's spice things up. You can also mention multiple people, groups, or even everyone involved in the task by typing @all. This is incredibly useful when you need to broadcast a message to everyone related to the task. It ensures nobody misses out on important updates. Once you've written your comment and mentioned your team member or members, hit the send button. This will post your comment with the mentions, and the appropriate team members will receive notifications. This helps us because it ensures the right people see your messages, eliminating miscommunication and making collaboration seamless. But let me explain why this matters. Mentioning team members in ClickUp comments is more than just a shout-out. It's a powerful tool that allows you to control the flow of information within your team. It empowers you to direct conversations, delegate tasks, and keep everyone informed about what's happening. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to mention team members in ClickUp comments. Remember, the key to a successful project is effective communication, and ClickUp is here to help you achieve just that. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to use the @ function.